Hey, hope you have an awesome day. We're going to be drawing a Irish flag. So all you need is a marker and some paper. Let's go. To start off drawing a flag, we're going to draw a little handle or a little flagpole or a mast, whatever you want to call it. Could be one of those little small flags that you hold and wave when you're at a parade or something. And it's basically just a long tube. So two parallel lines, and we're going to draw a little circle there in the bottom and a little curve at the top. Now, drawing the rest of the flags going to be nice and easy. You're going to do a nice big wave at the top. So you're going to go up, and we're going to go down and stop about here, just like that. And then we're going to do a similar wave on the other side because it's going to be like a flag's in the wind and it's kind of flapping in the wind. So we do another curve going up and then down, and we stop about there. And then all we need to do is connect these two dots together, just like that. Now there you go, you've got your basic flag. So you could use this for any design or any country really, but we are doing the Irish flag because it is St. Patrick's Day and we are celebrating that special holiday. Now all we need to do is colour it in. So when we colour it in, we're going to colour it in 1/3 of this flag, probably like up to here. We'll colour that in green, and then in the middle there's white, and then on the other side is orange there. Alright, so I'm going to fast forward and I'm going to show what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, and I've finished colouring in, and you can see for the Irish flag, we've done 1/3 of the flag green on this side, white in the middle, and then orange on that side there. Again, very important to get it in the right order, because if it's any other combination, then it's not the Irish flag. The other thing you can do is you can actually cut this out and use it like a real flag and wave it around, or use it as decorations. You know, maybe you're celebrating St. Patrick's Day, or you're having an Irish themed party. You've got a little Irish decoration there for you to use. Alright, well thanks for watching. I hope you follow along and had lots of fun. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other videos for you to follow along with and enjoy. I'll see you next time.